Good afternoon, guys, from the sunny River Till. Whoa. I had a bit of spare time today, so I just thought I'd test out the boat and give it a shot and see what it feels like. So we just found this little shoot here. We're in the Scottish borders, found this little shoot in the River Till, and we're going to just get in there, have a bit of a mess about, and have a bit of a play and see how she goes. Guys, that was good fun. It was surfs quite well actually when you get inside that wave. It's much slower than a normal canoe, just because I don't think obviously we haven't got that weight. I think the next step now is get it on a bigger river, bigger rapids, more kit in the boat, and then see what she's got. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. That is the Grabner Outside whitewater inflatable canoe. Pretty awesome. Cheers guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.